Trying to get down to one of the falls. It's pretty straight down. There's a rope. I'm gonna let Luna off leash and just let her run down there. There's no one else down there. This is kind of fun. I haven't done this part before. It's gonna be a little bit of a challenge. I could probably walk down, but it's pretty dirty and slippery. So we're just gonna back down slowly on the rope. Made it down here to the bottom of the falls. I'm gonna stop, take a little bit of a snack. Just ate myself a blueberry crisp Cliff Bar, which I've never had before. Quite good. And then we have Energy Pack Mix Sea Salt. Should be pretty good. And Luna has found herself I think that's an oak. Not sure what kind of stick that is. Pretty good. You a mountain dog, Luna? Yeah. Big walls around here, huh? Pretty cool. Alright, here we go. We're going to start the steep spot here. There you go. Good dog. That's a pretty good little climb there. We've been going for about 4 hours. It's gotten pretty warm out. It's about 12:30 now. And the last stretch we were on for a whole mile, there was zero shade. So Port Luna was getting a little bit warm. We stopped down in this little valley, and there's a nice little bit of water flow. Just passed by another hiker. He says he's been out here frequently, and that the water flow is a little bit lower than what it's been in the past, which we've had a relatively low water year. But really good wildflowers still. I was a little concerned that like starting to get kind of past peak season, I would say, of wildflowers. But still quite a few, and able to get some good shots, hopefully. For lunch today, we're going to do a warm lunch, even though I prefer eating like an ice cream cone right now. I brought my little pot. I've got ramen that I have put some, it's like a oil pack canned dried tomato. I've got some pepper, like a little bit of oregano, and a little garlic, and a little bit of salt. And then I've got this particular salami. I don't really know what this is. I can't pronounce it. It's like this gigantic 8-syllable Italian word, but it looks like kind of like pepperoni, but I would say it's got some great flavors, really high quality. Got it from the deli. So this is going to be my like faux pizza, because I'm hoping that if I get some boiling water in here, these kind of tomatoes will get a little bit goopier, and it'll kind of turn into a tomato sauce. And then I've got a lot of Parmesan I put in here too. So I'm just going to pour this all together. It should taste pretty good. I'm trying to figure out a way. My favorite food probably of all time is pizza. Anytime Kelsey asks, like, what do you want to eat tonight? My immediate answer, and it's kind of a joke, but really not, is pizza. So I'm trying to come up with a ramen pizza version that I can use in the backcountry, and this was my guess at trying to get this to work. So let's see if this is any good. Hey Luna, you having fun? You look a little worn out. Take a nap. We got about 2.5 miles back to the car. Okay, moment of truth. It smells like pizza. Will it taste like pizza? Let's dump out a whole bunch of this pepperoni meat stuff. I'm sure that'll make it taste good. Let's mix it around. Oh, look at this. Pro skill. Just the perfect amount of water. I like a little bit of wet ramen. You don't want it completely. Yeah, that's just a little bit. More pepperoni. More pepperoni. Hopefully this is it's pretty tasty. Okay, let's give this a shot. See what we got. Make sure I get a good piece of all the ingredients. That's pretty close. That's pretty close to faking pizza. But yeah, the tomatoes and the oil are good. It's the oiliness, it's kind of gives it a little bit of flavor. And these pepperoni things are great. Yep. I'll do this again. This is a good hack. Ramen pizza. You can see, zoom in there. The Parmesan completely melted to the spoon. So, it's going to be a pain in the butt to clean up. But yeah, this is good. Time for dessert. Classic peanut M&Ms. These are the healthy M&Ms, according to my last video, if you watch those. I'm stuffed. That was good food. Coming up on 7.7 miles. Luna is definitely hot. I am hot. It's gotten very dry, and as you can see, there's not a cloud in the sky. Bring lots of water would be my suggestion. I filtered some water. There are a bunch of cows pooping into the stream, so I guess we'll see how great the the Sawyer filter is, but hopefully it does a good job. But yeah, bring plenty of water. I brought 2 liters for myself, and like about, I think it's probably 700 mils for Luna, and I've gone through all of that plus another 1.5 liters. So it's definitely pretty dry, pretty warm, and pretty exposed up here. You doing okay, Luna? How you doing? Yeah, you're tired. Is that better, Luna? Is this your favorite spot? Is this what you prefer? You want to just stand in the water all day? You're no longer hot, are you? Made it back to the car, had a fun time. Did you have fun, Luna? Luna just says she's hot. That last little bit was pretty warm. I put her in the waterfall, and she felt much better after she got wet. So I think every single time I run into water, I really got to drench her if it's like above 75, which car says is 86. It's probably upper 70s, 80s. It's warm. So if you do this hike, remember it's exposed. Bring at least 2 liters of water, more if you got a dog or have a way of filtering it. And I don't think I'd do this hike if it was any hotter or in the summer. Definitely not. The prime time I think for this is February, March, April, and then this hike is too hot and there's no flowers. So hopefully you liked the trip. I had fun. It was a good little day hike. I think Luna got out. She did like surprisingly really, really well, despite the heat and stuff. So I think she did well. I liked the dinner. I don't think spicy, greasy pepperoni stuff is the best thing for a midday hike in high heat. So we're going to save that for dinners only, not midday snacks. I'm going to get out of here. I'm going to find the closest gas station and get a cold drink and some ice cream and head home. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching.